Hello everyone, Stephen from Accomplished Quilting again. Today we're going to show you how to use the grease syringe on your M Series machine. So over here, Bill, we have our list of tools. You'll need your grease syringe, a flathead screwdriver, and a flashlight. One, we've got 4 screws on the corner of your screen in the back here. We have them loosened just to make this video nice and concise for you. But we unscrew these to access our faceplate and back. So once you've removed all 4 of the screws in the back of the screen and you're hanging onto the screen, you're going to pull it off and be mindful that you don't yank on the wire here. So now we have 3 screws here. We get these screws loosened up. Okay, so now that we have the faceplate out of the way, we're going to show you where to grease. So now, here you can see there's 3 points, here, here, and then use my pointer here. If you look on the top, there's a little slot in this piece right here. Right in there. And now we're gonna get our grease syringe situated in there, and we're just gonna put just enough until you see it squeezing out from behind those parts. Doesn't take a whole lot. And we go here. And then we go in the slotted area. There's a little hole here. And there we are. And now everybody, we know how to grease our M Series machine. And you all have a wonderful day.